everybody. This is Estelle Day. I am in the Jafra Beauty Bar at my grandparents' Jan and Frank Day's house in Malibu. And I am reviewing my favorite Jafra personal beauty and bath products because during these times, we definitely could use some of those shipped straight to our house. And today I'm going to be reviewing my favorite all-time Jafra Spa product. It's the ginger and sea salt body rub. This is divine. This is my favorite, my favorite shower and bath product. And it's Jafra Spa, which this is a very appropriate name for this because this body scrub, okay, you use it in the shower, you can also use it in the bath. It has incredible sea salt with little bits of ginger in it. The smell makes you feel like you're at a five-star spa. It is one of the best smells ever. And not only that, when you rub the sea salt body scrub on your skin in the shower, let me show you how it works so you can kind of see it right there. I'm rubbing it on. When you do this on your body in the shower, mixed with the oil that they use for this product, it makes your skin so soft afterward. When you step out of that shower, number one, you smell like you are in the most amazing spa in the world. The smell alone is just going to make you feel so refreshed and so rejuvenated. But the way your skin looks, it just has this glow. And I love this product so much. I also use it right here on my face sometimes, and on my chin and under my neck. When I'm feeling kind of like I need a little bit extra, I think I just got some on my nose. When I need some extra exfoliation, this product is one of my favorite all-time products. It's absolutely the best. And I can smell it forever. It also makes your entire bathroom smell so good. Like the smell lingers down the hallways. You guys, this is an incredible must-have. It's a Jafra Spa ginger and sea salt body scrub. This is incredible. I don't know if you can see it. This is my every single day, especially now during the quarantine and COVID-19. Like it can get a little bit much staying at home all the time. And sometimes you need to just feel like renewed. And in fact, every day I need to feel like that because it's really a lot to stay at home this much. It's really for the best that we do this. So this product really just makes me happy. It's like at the beginning of every day, like I do my workout and I get in the shower and I put this on and it starts my day off right. I don't just wake up. It's so easy right now in these times to just wake up, keep your pajamas on, feeling motivated because there's nowhere to go. But this is one of those products, like my daily morning workout, and then getting in the shower and having this to smell it's incredible. It's so invigorating and so beautiful, and it literally takes you to another land in your shower, and it just changes my whole. Smells can sometimes really change your emotions. This is one of those products. The smell changes the way I feel every morning, and and if I'm feeling a little bit by night, I'm feeling a little, maybe I watch too much news on TV, which I don't recommend doing because it will just depress you. I'll take a bath. I'll light a candle. I'll use this. and it just changes the whole way I feel, and it makes my skin just glow and beautiful, and I feel so good, and I go to bed feeling so like so incredible. This is like I'm ordering this by like the cartons. this is my this is my happy product that makes me happy every day. So it's a Jafra Spa Ginger and Sea Salt Body Scrub. I use it in the shower. I use it in the bath. I use it all the time. I just rubbed it on my skin while we were talking. And it just, I don't know if you can see my skin glowing. It makes you feel so good. And you're really supposed to wash off the salt, but since I'm on video, um, so anyway, guys, I highly recommend this Jafra Spa Ginger and Sea Salt Body Scrub. It can be shipped directly from Jafra.com, or you can call your Jafra consultant and he or she can get you as many of these as you want shipped to your house. So this is my favorite, one of my very favorite must-have items that I use in my shower and in my bathroom every single day. Stay tuned. I am going to be coming out with more of my favorite Jafra shower products and bath products and personal products. And I'll see you guys later.